Hello guys, this is DFXS. Once again, welcome to TFX family. Guys, I'm really happy and glad when still educating you about our system. This is a MT5 system and updated and upgraded, and this is advanced system which will help you trade things easily. Guys, as I'm about to show you how to use the system correctly, especially now when it is advanced. As you can see on my screen, let me explain why we took this trade on Crash 1000. This is the trade that we sent on our Signal group. Let me explain this so that you can understand how to take trades. First of all, we were in 1 hour time frame. Let me show you something. And in 1 hour time frame, we saw that there is our daily breakout line, which indicates a daily support. And as you can see, we have a daily resistance here and daily support here. And there was a trend line here. And we have our dotted, which indicates also support, and our triple T. And as you can see in 1 hour time frame, let me zoom in so that you can see correctly. These candles, our trading master changed the color from this position, and we waited for this candle to close. Now let me show you what to do after there is all this confirmation and you want to take this trade in small time frame. So the first thing you do, you jump to 10 minutes. Let me go to 10 minutes and show you something. In 10 minutes, as you can see, let me zoom in, or let it remain like that so that I can show you something here. As you can see, this is the second position. The first position was here. This one, it is the second position. The first one we took it yesterday. Now this is the second position. Why? Because we are still here. We can see we still have our daily breakout line here, and we are expecting this market in 10 minutes to go onto this area. Now in 10 minutes, guys, pay attention. As you can see, where our trend line is, and our mountain, it's at level 10. Let me zoom in so that you can see what I'm about to teach you. Now, what you're supposed to be waiting after the crossing of this candle, this is our trend line. We waited this candle to close above our trading line to confirm that now the trade will continue going up, because if this candle closes below our trading line, then that was not a clear short, but it becomes a clear short after closing above this trading line. Then we take the trade with this second candle. Here is where after the closing of this candle, the opening of the second candle, we take the trades to this place, and as you can see, we were in a good profit, a good profit. And that's how you can do scalping from big time frame. This means 1 hour. It's good to analyze the market 1 hour and take trades in 10 minutes. And there is some people who love to use 5 minutes, and but I always suggest it's good to use 10 minutes, because 10 minutes, if you can eat like you can take like 3 candles, or that's can give you a good money, then you can go up, because it's a scalping. Remember, a scalping, it's always a hit and run strategy. So what you're supposed to do, guys, it's only to analyze market from 1 hour time frame and see. Now we have our trade line, which will help you analyze the chart correctly and take the trade correctly after the closing of the candle that will close above our trading line. If it is a sell, it must close below the trading lines so that you can take and make sure there is all confirmation in small time frame. For instance, here in minute 10, when we were taking this trade yesterday, as you can see, let me show you something here. We have trade maker. Yeah, we have a trade maker, which is this dotted together with our king arrow. When this king arrow, there is a king maker, this dotted, we have another dotted here, we have our triple T, we have our trading line at that position. I don't know why this the super must be here. Things network must be strong, guys. So taking this trade, it was a great opportunity in 10 minutes, doing the analysis from 1 hour time frame. Now that's how you are supposed to do a scalping thing. Let's go now another good example. Let's see, this is a boom 1000, boom 1000. Let's go boom 1000 in 10 minutes. Let me do this so that we can do things fast. Let's go to 10 minutes. Let's insert our system. And now the system is so simple, guys. Very, 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 very simple. And let me show something. Now this is 10 minutes. Let me show something. Let's go back to 1 hour. This is the 1 hour time frame. As you can see on my screen, we were at this level 90. This is at level 90. Now we're expecting the market to drop at this place. As you can see in 1 hour, when we were at this line, daily trading line, it's very, very important to spot this daily breakout line, where it is for support or resistance, and look for sell in small time frame, especially when we have our triple T, our signal arrow here, and our dotted together with our super dem, it's good to look for those combinations before you take trades in small time frame. Yeah, as you can see here in 1 hour time frame, we were the mountain was at level 90. And as you can see, we have our super dem here, we have our triple T here, red triple T, which indicates a strong reversal, and we have the dotted, and at the same time we are in a daily breakout line. Now after all this combination in 1 hour time frame, as you can see, now we are looking for sell. That's where you go to a small time frame. Let us first of all mark this area, because let me mark like this area. So where we have the second candle here looking for sell, and as you can see, we have even our trade line. So all combination are here. Now we are going to look for a sell in small time frame, and that is 10 time frame. As you can see in 10 time frame, guys, it's very, 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 very accurate. As you can see, let me refresh this one. As you can see, our mountain already it's at level 90. Let me show something here. And let me zoom in. And as you can see, we also have everything here together with our trade maker. And wherever there is combination of a trade maker in 10 minutes, we have all. We have yellow triple T, we have trade maker, we have a king arrow, we have dotted, and at the same time we are at level with this breakout line. And now we were looking for sell at this point, because that's what we have in 1 hour. As you can see from here to this place, you would have a good pips. You can harvest a good pips from that place to this place. So my point is here, guys. My point is here, because to use this system now, it's very, very, very simple. And let me give an example in what you'll be looking in 1 hour time frame, so that you may jump to small time frame. In 1 hour time frame, make sure you have the combination of this indicator. Sometimes you may lack to find or maybe you may miss to see the trade maker in 1 hour. But wherever there is a trade maker in 1 hour, meaning all combination of all, we have trade maker here, we have king arrow, signal arrow, red triple T or yellow triple T, and we have dotted here and the super dem here. We always take trade after the changing color of our trading master, and we have the signal. This is why we say it's advanced. We have a signal arrow. You can wait for this arrow after all combination, then take trades with this arrow. This is for those people who are going for long trade. For long traders, make sure you have all combination and don't miss any indicator here, especially our trade maker dotted. This trade maker dotted is for the line, and for sell it's for the red. Make sure you have the combination of all indicators, and the mountain it's at level 10. So that will be very simple in 1 hour time frame. You don't have to jump to any time frame. You are supposed to hold a long trade if there is all the combination of all trades. Like this one, for instance, we are missing something here because we don't have the trade maker, meaning that this one may not be reliable for a long trade because the all combination of all indicators must be there. But because we are missing we are only missing a trade maker here, and the meaning of trade maker, it is the one that makes the trade. So if you are trading the long trade, make sure you have the combination of the trade of the trade maker. Yes. Now let me show you something here before I conclude or before we end this video. You know, guys, it is good not to force market in whatever you want, and I will give a good example with this crash 500. As you can see, the crash 500, when you are here in a breakout trade line, and there was a trade line here, as you can see, we expecting this to sell this market in small time frame. And always remember that's when you are doing a scalping or hit and run strategy. But as you can see here clearly, guys, we are at this level, so the buyers here will be more reliable than the sellers. But you are supposed to, for this one, you can do the scalping in small time frame. So the market that is somewhere like here, it's unpredictable. And as you can see, the only professional can do this, but I cannot advise you to do that, because after this trading line, and as you can see, we're expecting this market now to reverse before it continue going up. You always wait, because now this is the breakout candle, and after the breakout candle, we wait for the second candle to go so that we can sell. So the only thing you can do here after this breakout candle, the only thing you can do here, if the second candle will close below this trade, that's when you can sell in small time frame. But the market that the market that is here in the middle, you cannot say that whether this market will go up or down. So it is good to wait for this market to accomplish or to complete this reversal, so that you can look for a buy opportunity. And the buy opportunity here will be very strong than the sell, because as you can see, our combination in 1 hour, they are saying that we are supposed to buy, because all combination, whether it is for a trade maker, whether it is dotted, super dem, everything is here saying that we are supposed to buy this market. Now, what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to look for a buy opportunity after this reversal. So any market that is in the middle of the chart, maybe after looking for this mountain and the combination are here, or don't try to sell only if you know how to work with the trade lines, because those people who knows how to trade with the trade lines, they can scalp some pips after waiting the candle to close. But that will cover that in another video, how you are supposed to wait the candle to close below the trade line before taking the trade. For instance, after touching this our daily breakout candle breakout line, and there was a trade line here, the candle that we wanted to trade, it's when the opposite candle, which is for sale, closes below this line. And now, because we have our entry arrow here, this is the entry arrow now, and the changing color of our trading master, this means that we can scalp some few pips, because we can see in 1 hour time frame the candle closes below our trading line. But that will cover that in another video. For this video, the most important things was to show you how now You are supposed to be looking trades in 1 hour, the combination in 1 hour. And we said sometimes you may miss or to find a trade maker, but as long as there is a dotted and super dem and triple T in 1 hour time frame, you can jump to 10 minutes time frame and look for that uh, opportunity to sell or to buy. So guys, that's how simple the system is. We'll continue educating you how to use these trading lines, and but the system is very simple because everything here is coded according to the big time frame. That's why we are only talking about being in 1 hour time frame and jumping to small time frame and take the trades there. Something to remember is this one, that 1 hour time frame must rhyme in with 10 minutes. So a good example, let's say for instance, this area, this is where you took the sale after the closing of this candle below our trading line, and this our daily breakout line. It's very reliable because it indicates a strong daily resistance or support. Now when you jump to 10 minutes, this has volatility 500. Let's jump to go to 10 minutes and see what is there. So for there, that's internet seems to be so slow because MT5 always required a strong internet. Exactly. Now, as you can see in 10 minutes, remember in 1 hour time frame, we only have a trend line and our daily breakout line. But when you come to 10 minutes, you have a red triple T, you have a signal arrow, you have a king arrow, you have a trade master, and as you can see, you have the combination of all. And I believe there is even a super dem here. It's only because of the internet. It's very slow. We have all indicators in 10 minutes and our mountain, it's at 90. So this is a good entry point for sale because in 10 minutes we have the combination of all. But in 1 hour time frame, we have only the confirmation of few signal, but there we are in a daily breakout line. So that's the power of the daily breakout line when you are in 1 hour time frame. So you can jump to 10 minutes and make sure every time when you jump to small time frame, you have the combination of all indicators. All indicators must be there saying the same thing. All, and I repeat again, all. Whether you'll jump to 1 minute, whether you'll jump to 5 minutes, make sure that you have the combination of all indicators, and even the mountain, it's at level 10 or 90. If you miss one of the indicator, that is unreliable entry, and please don't take that entry. Always don't force the market to give you what you have, what you want, but always look for clear entry. And I repeat this, the combination of all indicators must be there in small time frame after analyzing the chart from 1 hour, and see that in 1 hour there is a strong and reliable indicators that are there, especially our daily breakout line must be there, our daily and super dem must be there. And whenever you are in this daily breakout line, there is a good opportunity of hit and run in small time frame. And if you are doing a long trade, you are supposed to have all indicators in 1 hour time frame. All indicators again, super dem, triple T, dotted, our trading master, and also our king arrow. Then you can rely with that buy for long trade, and the mountain must be at 10. That's when you want to trade a long trade and you are in 1 hour time frame. You don't have to jump to any time frame, just stick in 1 hour time frame. Look for all indicators to line together, then you can take that trade without fear. All indicators. Thank you so much, guys. And when you hit the, the 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 daily breakout line, you can exit from that market because it gonna maybe reverse strongly. Thank you so much, guys. I do believe that you love now the advanced system for MT5 solution, and the things has become easier is that though we will continue educating you how to use the system until you become what you want. Thank you for those people who have subscribed. Remember, we have been giving this system with a lifetime so that you can learn more about the system, and finally you'll become a professional trader. Many people are making a lot of money, guys, and that's why I thank God for granting us with this knowledge and the wisdom to have or to program the system for MT5. Thank you so much. We love you so much. And once again, welcome to TFX family. Thank you.